Ally Invest Financial Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description. Ally Invest offers a financial tool designed for cost-conscious investors seeking an easy-to-use platform for portfolio management, trading, and financial planning. The tool provides real-time portfolio tracking, research tools, and seamless integration with Ally Bank, making it a strong choice for those who want an all-in-one financial ecosystem. Users can manage stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, and even forex trading within the platform. This tool is ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. New investors benefit from commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, automated portfolio management through Ally Invest robo-portfolios, and intuitive financial planning tools. The platform offers goal-based investing, a retirement planning calculator, and market insights to help users make informed decisions. More advanced traders can take advantage of Ally's customizable trading dashboard, real-time data streaming, technical charting tools, and competitive pricing on options contracts. A standout feature is the profit-loss calculator, which allows traders to analyze risk and potential returns before executing trades. Additionally, Ally's integration with its banking products makes cash management seamless, offering high-yield savings and checking accounts directly linked to investment portfolios. Strengths include a user-friendly interface, no commissions on stocks and ETFs, and strong banking integration. Ally's robo-advisory service is also a great option for hands-off investors, offering automated portfolio rebalancing with no advisory fees for cash-enhanced portfolios. The platform provides solid research tools, including third-party market analysis from Morningstar and CFRA. Security is top-tier, featuring multi-factor authentication and encrypted transactions for account protection. Weaknesses include limited support for non-Ally accounts, making it less ideal for investors who hold assets across multiple brokerages. While the platform has strong options trading features, it lacks some advanced tools available on platforms like TD Ameritrade's thinkorswim. Additionally, customer service is online-focused, which may be a drawback for those who prefer in-person support. Overall, Ally Invest's financial tool is a great choice for investors looking for a low-cost, easy-to-use platform with strong banking integration. If you already use Ally Bank, this tool makes managing your investments seamless. However, active traders seeking advanced analytics may need additional tools. Check the links in the description to explore Ally Invest and see if it fits your investment strategy.